Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's me Lamarr Brown, your profit coach. I kind of want to do this video more or less outside some of my other videos, kind of do an introduction. A lot of you guys know me, quite a few of you that's going to watch this video probably never met me in my life, never even heard of me. So I wanted to take the time out to actually do a video that kind of give an introduction of who I am, right? I'm born here in the United States of America, down in Chicago, Illinois. Grew up in a very impoverished neighborhood. Typical stories you probably hear about Chicago now. I was able to get out, go to the Marine Corps, serve my country. Got out the Marine Corps and I went back to school, became a registered nurse. Got into, economic products like real estate, all that cool stuff like that. Married, got kids. Then I got introduced to the world of investing and day trading, which began the big shift in my life, which brings me to this YouTube channel right now, because I never forget the place that I was at that prompted me to actually learn how to day trade and take it to the next level. And I really believe that my story may resonate a lot with your story. If you're watching this video, you really probably was trying to find another avenue to bring in another source of income into your life. You're seeing people that's doing it, but you don't know anybody personally that's done it, and you've been hearing all these war stories by people who never participated, and you're trying to find out what is it that they know that you don't know, right? And you want to find yourself to get into this game. Well, that's where I was at in life when day trading came to me, and I didn't want a lot of money. I wasn't looking for the trading to be the end all. Like, I knew I was going to just retire doing trading. No, I just wanted the extra income, and I knew finding a second job was not going to be the answer that I was looking for. Okay, I've seen people get pretty nice stuff, invest into the markets. I really wanted to understand about it. So of course I looked at stocks. I didn't have enough money to where it made a dent in the growth of my account. It just didn't. I didn't know how to pick them. I was picking everybody else would know: Apple, Bank of America, right? All the good stuff like that. And the drip was very, very slow in earnings. So needless to say, I venture off and I met some really cool people who introduced me into the futures market. I never heard of the futures market, or Forex market. I got introduced to both of them at the same time, and I was like, what is that? That's not like stocks, right? And kind of find out a lot different than stocks. Futures was really kind of like a game up for me. I didn't have to learn a lot of stuff. Like, I didn't have to learn about earnings reports, none of that craziness that you have to learn about when you're looking at stocks. And it's just all the other stuff you got to learn about stocks, and if this company lying or not, they're going out of business. When we're dealing with futures for Forex, it's kind of stuff that's kind of straightforward. When I found out that my attention was basically focused more on me and my performance, and recognizing when the market's going up and when the market's going down. And what cool thing was separated everything for me for stocks and futures and Forex from stocks was this: that once I close out a position, the very second I close out a position, which I'm not in the position no more than probably maybe a couple of minutes, that's it, out of the whole day. So people are talking about day trading. It's not a whole day. And literally, I've been in the markets and made some substantial amount of money in a few minutes. So once you close out of that position and being in the market for a few minutes, your money is safe. So let's say the market was going up and you caught a nice little run. You made a couple of $100, and then all of a sudden the market just start tanking like it's coronavirus 19 but coronavirus 20, right? And it just start tanking where your money is safe. You're not losing anything, you're not gaining anything, because you're not actively in the market. So I'm not in the market all day. I'm coming in there looking for a trend. I'll take a position and exit out within the next few minutes with a couple $100 in my pocket. you know. And the cool thing is you can start off with a $400 account all the way up. I think even in Forex you can start off as little as $300 and on up, and you can make some pretty decent money in a short span of time, right? Better than what the banks will pay you, just keeping it real, you know. So that's what really took my interest. Like, wow, this is incredible. Why everybody ain't doing this? And come to find out, just like me, a lot of people never even heard of these markets, right? And it gets better because then you find out about options is better than just trading straight stocks in a lot of cases, especially with people who working class, don't come from a big wealthy family. So it's just insane. So many things out there that we don't get shared with in our education system. You know, I know for most areas in Chicago, we weren't talking about this stuff. You know, you can only guess. And the funny thing is, the Chicago trade place was right downtown. It was right in that back door. Trillions of dollars getting traded every day, and we didn't know nothing about it. So that's what kind of prompted me to get into learning about trading. And I tell you, since that time to today, man, trading has impacted my life incredibly. I mean, I dabble in real estate, and I'm telling you right now, trading by far has been probably the most rewarding thing that I have done. You know, it's almost instant gratification, you know, and you don't have to go in debt about $200,000-$300,000 or, you know, $50,000-$60,000 or sign some weird contract to hopefully the other person on the renege on. You know, you don't have to do all that stuff. It's just you sitting down there in front of your computer or your laptop or your tablet or phone, whatever device you want to use, and you got two options: press a button to buy or sell. And the cool thing about it is that you just don't make money by buying stuff and selling it, but you can actually sell stuff on positions in the market and make money as well. So if the market's going down, you can make money. Market's going up, you can make money. It's all by the click of a button on your devices. And it took a lot of strain away from me, you know. Instead of me spending my time clocking in at a place, clocking out, worrying about policies, procedures, and you know, learning, you know, doing these sexual harassments and and modules. You know what I'm talking about every year. I didn't have to worry about that. All I had to do was just focus on again myself and my ability to stay disciplined to my craft, and looking at the trends and just click those corresponding buttons and take my money, leave the table, and enjoy my life. And you can't get that from anything else that I have seen so far, you know. So that's just kind of brief overview of who I am, what I'm about, and kind of my experience in coming into trading. And hopefully your journey down into looking for you know, looking for the answers regarding into investing or trading into the market. Hopefully you come across a pathway that will work for you and your family as well. You know, I would love to be a part of that journey for you, you know. So if you can, just subscribe to the YouTube channel, all right? And I would love to hear your comments. I would love to hear your questions, because I would like to be a help for you. I remember the person who was a help for me to get me started. Two gentlemen in particular. One is Bishop Irvin Perry. He's the one that actually introduced me to this possibility of happening, and then my actual mentor, which he introduced me to, which is Dr. DVD, all right, out here in California. This guy taught me everything that I know that made my trade successful. Okay, how to look at the market and everything like that. He pretty much was the catalyst to get me where I'm at today. All right, guys, so listen here. I appreciate you watching this video. Hopefully you'll share this content with somebody else of value to you. And I actually, again, subscribe to this channel. All right, subscribe to this channel. Hopefully we can meet in the near future, and maybe we can share ideas with each other for our personal financial growth. All right, guys. Hey, thanks a lot, and I'll see you at the bank. Bye-bye.